today will be what will we be doing today?
Bits and pieces of this and that.
Yeah.
Oh, we wanted the digger and the
Battery's flat, so
yes.
yes.
So what have we done with that?
It's on the charge, so
It's on the charge, so we'll see how we get on with that there. And then we're trying to run on a cubicles, aren't we?
yeah.
We'll go and put a drop of silage into these piece of rain. We have all the cows in, son, alright?
Alright.
Or all the beasts in, should we say? So,
They're eating heavily.
they're eating well, aren't they? So, I suppose it's just the winter time again, isn't it? Although, to be fair with the thing, there's been better weather. There's been better weather this last week while as it has been all summer.
Yep.
Isn't that right?
Yep.
So, there's been next to no rain here, so
Alright.
what, for maybe 3 weeks?
Alright.
Or that, and of course we held the beach down.
Yep.
But they need it on anyway because
Alright.
what's coming on Wednesday?
Yep.
What is it? The TB test?
Yes. That's
So, we're having to test every 3 months or 6 months at the minute.
Yeah.
No, because we're down, but it's just because we have a lot of neighbours down with TB. Unfortunately, the parents they're down,
alright.
and then that leads us to we get a test. So, well. That's what it is, but it'll be nice to get a clear test on it, won't it?
Alright.
Who knows? Sure you want to know?
No.
You want to have to some? Sure you want to?
No.
Well, you'll get a clear test there now, it just depends.
Yep.
Oh, there's the goat, look.
Alright.
There's the goat. The profitable stock. You get it?
I think
so.
Thank
So what all have we been at, Matthew? It's been a while since we've been on.
Yeah.
So how come there's been no videos this last while?
A lot going on.
A lot going on.
A lot.
Right, what all have we been doing?
Well, you were working.
Aye, a lot, wasn't it?
Yeah. And then the whole shebang was sick.
Ah, we were all sick.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Yes.
Like really sick. That was, I don't know what sort of ill bug that was.
No. No.
But it wasn't good.
Nope.
It wasn't good at all. And then, of course, we have a nice new government in
Hi.
power now that wants to destroy the farmers completely.
Yep.
So, I don't know, they're just seem to not really cares about farming now, tell me. I didn't mean ordinary folk either. I mean, where governments and stuff's concerned, they don't
care.
They seem to want country folk,
Nope.
you know? But, anyway, it's the way of the world got.
What can you do?
Well, I don't know, son. Stop the food for a while.
Hi.
You could maybe do that, if everybody would get together.
Maybe shoot them.
Huh?
Maybe shoot them. No farmers, no food, no future.
Well, that's it. That's it. But unfortunately, they seem to care a lot more about. They seem to care a lot more about Bill Gates
Aye.
and Big Tech than they do about farmers and supplying food. You know.
Yep.
And there seems to be money for everything except for the ordinary folk. You know, or even they help us try just to make a living. We're not looking a lot.
Nope.
All our ones left the lane.
Yeah.
That's it. You know, the animal. Maybe if you poke a bear so much, the bear turns back on you. You know, what will happen? Huh?
Yep.
You know? But so and all the beaches in. We shall live on a beach day.
Yeah.
So there's only 6 of last year's
Yeah.
there now, isn't there?
Yep.
And then whatever cows and calves there is.
Yeah.
And then everything else is just them 20 Recast will be going there in the spring of the year. So,
Yep.
uh, uh, that's better. So it's just going to be long enough for it, I suppose. I think you hit touch the back of that. Yes.
Better.
That's a lot better. So that's. I suppose we were trying to build it back onto the back of the shed, but we'll show that here now, like that.
Aye.
So we're
Just heading out the lane.
just going out the lane. Yeah. So what are you been at?
School, and more school.
Aye.
Yeah.
And what you been learning?
Huh?
What you been learning?
Division, 3 times tables, a lot.
A lot.
A lot.
Well, that's not what you're learning.
Aye.
It's not so bad. Huh?
Yeah.
That's just it. Huh? And then, like sis, she's at
She's at home studying.
studying. Yes. Because the GCSEs it's over 2 years now or something, isn't it?
Aye.
So she's trying to study hard for that.
They're coming up.
I think the first exam is coming up, sure.
Yeah. Next week.
Next week.
Next week or the week after, I think.
Oh,
So that's what she's up to.
yes. She's left us boys alone.
Yes.
I don't know what sort of office we're up to.
No.
You know, what the?
Aye.
I don't really tell much time. We got kind of office, sure.
No.
Well, a lot of stuff to do.
Too much.
A lot of stuff to be fixed. A lot of stuff to do.
But then us being sick as well, that stopped.
Doesn't help the situation.
No.
I don't know what this building here is. It's like soft looking something.
Yeah.
What sort of stuff? That's looking. Huh?
No.
See, we brought a load of stuff up that was 2 years old.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is, to be honest.
No, that's can be dodgy.
That's soft looking, isn't it?
It's not in great form.
See?
Can't really see it for the camera, but
Well, we didn't want too much silage in because
TV.
the TV test. Huh?
Aye.
Right, you jumping in?
Huh?
Jump the on and throw it off and I'll... Aye, but I'm a old honor, but I know it. Aye, that's not this year's silage, but last year's. There's a wee bit of mould on it. But well, I'll be alright. It's not too bad actually. Just a wee bit of it's not as good as that stuff there, right enough. That's better stuff there. But
personal space is a thing.
aye, so that's we sold one of our balls. So that's a wee ball there. He's just a year old. He's doing well.
He's good.
And the pedigree cows in there. And how many cows is in there? A couple of pedigree cows. Aye, that's the wee heifer. Wee bull. They're not spent yet, but we'll get them spent at some stage. And then that's a wee pedigree bull there. He's a nice wee one. He's shaping up well. And then that's this year's wee cows that we bought.
Yeah.
And then that's the ones for last year that we done. Wasn't just ready? Suki. Yes. Yeah. And then the rest. Oh look what them skippers is doing.
Oh, eating their up.
Eating their up, son. Sure, that's nothing new, yeah. So. And then we were on here.
There's the rascal.
That's the rascal. Jeez.
Oh.
Well, when are rats at the minute? If anybody knows a good way to get rid of rats, hey, by chance. I don't know. They're a boyo at the minute. And with a poison set and all the rest of it. But
There's none.
That's the shed that was building there, so we just
It's getting along nicely.
got a rift. They had an old broken gate or two lying, so cut it and welded it and used it for that there, and just put a bit of stock board at the back of it for the top, but we'll have to make a barrier or something, won't we? Along there. We built this wall at the back, and
I take it that there goes down into the
there's
tank.
a slurry tank. That is.
There's a packaging in it.
Oh, that's right. See that? No, that goes out of the tank, son.
Aye.
And but we'll get a bit of plate, put her that on hinges so that just
Yeah.
flips down. And then that was another gate that was wrecked there. We'll just cut it to size and weld it up and tand it to get into your crush, you know. So that will still leave you that'll still leave you be able to put the crush on it, or the base in it, the crush, close that off and put your bar on.
Take it you spilled a bit of diesel or what?
Oh, I don't know what that is, son. Just needs to rent out that. Do those what it is. Maybe 3 in 1 on it, or WD-40 or something. So that could be that. So there's not my lot today there, and then I'll let them wee pedigree calves get in there. Get them separated a wee bit because the pen's tight a wee bit, and then them other ones need spent. So but aye, that's how we're getting on, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know?
You have to
Oh.
check.
Thought the lanterns out here, changing the base, maybe.
Likely.
So,
Or it could be Randall. Would you know?
you wouldn't know? Nope. That maybe is. And so that's how we're getting on at the minute. TB testing Wednesday, so we'll have to get that there cleared out for Wednesday. Because we need the beast run out in another room now, don't we?
Yep.
We'll maybe hang that gate back on there for Wednesday again too.
Aye.
Get it hung back on some road or another. Not sure what we'll do there, but we'll do something.
Aye.
Yes.
Yes.
Right, we'll keep going.
Aye. Keep going on with the day.
Well, that's us for another week here. So we'll let you know how we get on with the TB test next week. Look, we'll try and have in more videos for you than we have been, because I know it's been short on the ground this last wee while, but it has just been one thing and another. But we'll give you a wee shout next week and again, let you know how we go on with this test and see what happens. But sure, whatever it is, it doesn't really matter. There could be a lot worse things happen, you know. So all the very best for the three of us, and we shall see you all again, and sure, guess we like and follow for more. Cheerio.